Today I'm going to show you how to use this brake fluid tester. It's really easy to use and they're not very expensive. This is the tester and you'll be looking for these lights. When you turn it on, it'll be green. It's just showing you that the battery is good, it's working. Then you'll get somewhere between yellow and red. There's some orange in the middle there. Ideally you want the yellow and you definitely don't want the whole thing to light up. This is the end that you dip into brake fluid. There's a button on the top to turn it on and off, and the lights will appear here. It even has all the information you need written on here, but brake fluid is nasty stuff. It will probably take this stuff off, so it's good to hang on to this just in case. I've got 3 cars I'm going to test this on today. They all should have good brake fluid in them. But should is not one of those words you want to use when talking about your brake system, so let's go test it. First, let's check out this 2018 Subaru Crosstrek. There's a small baffle in that reservoir, so I'm going to have to take that out in order to submerge the pins all the way into the fluid. If you don't do that, you're not going to get an accurate reading. Make sure you don't get any brake fluid on the paint because it'll take it right off. That brake fluid might be in really good condition because of how new the car is. Let's try it out on another car. This is the car that, out of the 3 that I have access to today, has the least recent brake flush. Let's take a look. There's a baffle on this, but I can press down on it so it won't get in our way. Let's give this one a try. Oh, I saw 2% on there. Alright, that brake fluid looks good according to the tester. This is the most recent brake flush I've done. But I intend to do another brake flush because the brake fluid in there was really nasty when I flushed it out. And I think there's still some contamination in there. You can see there's already some dark color even though there's only 1,000 miles on this stuff. So another brake flush should get that stuff out. This is the last video for 2018. It's been a real fun ride. I hope to see you in the next year. Thanks for watching.